Hey everyone, and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to show you how to block someone on Wix. Let's begin. Now, the first thing that you need to do is to log in using your credentials. If this is your first time on Wix, I want you to click the sign up option. And from here, just follow the on-screen instructions and you're good to go. Blocking someone on your Wix website can be done in few different methods, such as managing users on your Wix forum, Wix chat, or even your Wix members area. Once you are logged into your account, I want you to click on the side section. That's going to be on the left side panel of your dashboard, and from there, that will lead you to the Wix editor. All right. Now, see, if you wanted to block users in your Wix members area, all you have to do is hover to the left side panel of your dashboard, click on the pages and menu, click on the members area. There's going to be a settings for that, and of course hover to the custom member page. All right, and the members here is going to be showing you. Click on the settings right here. All right, there's going to be permissions. All right, you can put in the manage site members. Okay, so for example, I want to block this specific member, right? For me to be able to do that, click on edit, manage roles, or click on delete. And after that, confirm the action to block the member. And that's it. It's a very easy thing to do because, for example, if they've posted unwanted content in a forum or comment section, you can delete their post to maintain community standards, all right? Inapplicable, you can report the user or their behavior to Wix support. And by following these steps, you should be able to effectively block unwanted users from interacting with your Wix website, all right? Thank you so much for watching. We will see you again in the next video.